Welcome guys back to another video, and today I'm playing this game again, and this is part 2 of even playing the game. So, and yes guys, I did clean everything because it was probably just going to be boring, except for this. This looked pretty fun to do, to make a video on, and yeah, that's basically what I really want to do right now. So, yeah, first what I'm going to do is do the window, because number one, hey, you probably just want to look out of the window sometimes, and I don't know why people would just walk this way, but okay, there. Okay, and now, we're going to have to go here. Yay, okay. So what I just did is I just finished that, and now I am already losing water. This place is crazy. I should have started with this first, because then I could just like do the easier. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna make a little pathway over here, just in case if there's like an actual person living in here. At least they can do this, just to get to the doorway, or they can just walk onto the grass to get there. But so what? Okay, who cares? My headphones keep on sounding like they're turning off and on, but the real thing is they're not even turning off. So I'm having to keep on take my headphones off and back on. So that might be why I'm pausing. I hope that doesn't happen when I'm doing like obbies where I have to go fast or anything like that. And then this game is actually by another YouTuber, and then he's actually really popular. I used to actually watch lots of his videos on Piggy. Oh, and speaking of Piggy, guys, Piggy just got a brand new chapter 10. It's super fun. So I played the game, guys, and then as I was playing it, I immediately joined the first server. And then once I joined the first server, the escape door was already opened, and yes, I did not see the first cutscene, but the ending cutscene is so cool. Trust me, guys, it is cool. A new character. We now know We now know who the actual Insolence is. It's not really Mr. Stitchy. Wow, what a fact! I've always been watching a bunch of other YouTubers saying, it's Mr. Stitchy, it's Mr. Stitchy. But what I've been really thinking was like, it's probably not Mr. Stitchy. Yeah, it has like the same eye. But, yeah, they do have the same eye. And on the hat that the guy wears, it's Insolence. Flower. Yes, it's an orange Insolence flower. And it's basically, I don't even want to spoil anything else at this point, cause this isn't even a video on that. So yeah, that's gonna there. And now, look at this nice little just path, like a nice pathway to their little door. And here we go, on the sides. I'm going crazy. Like, I don't know why, but I feel like you wouldn't want to sit, like, next to, like, a very dirty chair. Like, if you really don't like dirty stuff, then, definitely I wouldn't sit next to a dirty chair. Well, I wouldn't really care, but I don't really even care if I'm sitting next to a person that's sitting on a dirty chair. But I bet other people actually have thought about that. I hope at least. And I hope I'm not the only one who's been thinking about that. Because if I am, then that means I'm weird. So, yeah. Did I already? Oh, yes. You do need to clean the front of the chairs. Go. At this point, this is just getting even harder. Like, there are little tricks that they're putting at this point. Look at it. Like, I'm literally like just spraying a chair that might already be done. Okay. Do I need to clean the? Please don't tell me. Okay. I don't think I need to clean the bottom. Oh my gosh! Look what's under this chair. Okay. Alright. I'm sorry that I was just so quiet, guys. I don't even know why, but okay. Oh my gosh, my headphones are tricking me so much. I literally, I think that might be my third time in the video that I've done that right now. And it happened also in the part 1 video of this. It is so annoying. I wish you could fill your tank up right here. But sadly you can't. And also guys, this has nothing to do with the video right now, but I also got my dream pet in Adopt Me, and that is Skelerex. So yay! I've been wanting that dream pet for at least 1 whole year. So woohoo, I finally got it. Yes, that's been my dream pet for a whole year. But there. Okay, so let's. There we go, there we go. Okay, so yeah guys, I basically have, wait, what? I just did some of that and some of that. There was a whole bunch more over there, and then it just finished. I don't get that, but okay. Yay. I don't know how that even happened, but okay. So I'm doing this right now, guys, and this is fun. If you no, hold on, guys. I'll be. I could tell. Okay, guys, I'm back. Alright, so here we have the table. Oh man, I've ran out of water. We're already doing the inside super good. Look at that guy. That's probably a better idea to do. Just clean the top and then because that's probably gonna be the easiest one so far. Oh my gosh, my headphones are tricking me so much. Can I buy a new mega washer? I could buy a big tank. A mega tank. Yeah, I totally need a mega tank. Totally, I need that. I totally need a mega tank right now. Even though it's like 2 more away. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point, okay? At this point, I like to be called a weirdo. I don't even know why. I feel like that's a very weird thing to say at this point, okay? I feel like it's super weird. Alright, you know what, guys? I'm just gonna end the video here at this point. Okay, I don't even think I can even make it past this one at this point. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, so guys, I'm just gonna end the video here. So, remember to like and subscribe, and remember, stay a gamer.